or pandemonium, liable to walk upon the sea.
To illustrate his last remark, Jonah in the whale, Noah in the ark. What did they do just when everything looked so dark?
Man, they said we better accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative, latch on to the affirmative. Don't mess with Mr. In-Between. No, do not mess with Mr. In-Between. Do you hear me?
Oh, listen to me, chillin' Anna. You will hear about the eliminating of the negative and an accent on a positive.
Gather round me, children, if you're willing, and sit tight while I start reviewing the attitude of doing right.
You gotta accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative, latch on to the affirmative. Don't mess with Mr. In-Between.
You got to spread joy
Up to the maximum,
bring gloom
down to the minimum, then
otherwise I'm liable to walk upon the sea.
To illustrate,
Well, illustrate.
my last
You
remark,
got the law.
Jonah
in the whale, Noah in the ark.
What did they say?
What did they say?
Say when everything looks so dark. Man, they said we better accentuate the positive, eliminate the negative, latch on to the affirmative. Don't mess with Mr. In-Between. No, don't mess with Mr. In-Between.
Times have changed, and we've all but rewound the clock since the Puritans got the shock when they landed on Plymouth Rock. If today any shark they should try to stem, instead of landing on Plymouth Rock would land on them. In olden days, a glimpse of stocking was the thought of something shocking, but now God knows anything goes. Good authors too, who once knew better words, now only use four-letter words, writing prose. Anything goes. If driving fast cars you like, if low bars you like, if old hymns you like, if bare lips you like, if Mae West you like, or me undressed you like, why nobody will oppose. When every night the set that's smart is intruding and Newton's talk is in studio, anything goes. When Mrs. Ned McLean, God bless her, can get Russian red to yes, then I suppose anything goes. When Rockefeller still can order enough money to let Max Gordon produce his show, anything goes. The world has gone mad today, and good bad today, and black white today, and day's night today, and that's yet today. You gave a cent today, one had several chateaus. When folks who still can ride in jitneys find out that the Wilson Whitney's lack baby clothes, anything goes. When Sam Golden can with great conviction instruct Anna and in diction, then Anna shows anything goes. When you hear that lady mental standing up, now does the handspring landing up on her toes, anything goes. Just think of those shots you got, and those knocks you got, and those blues you got, from those news you got, and those pains you got, in anything you got. got remotes in the radio. So Mrs. R, with all the trim and can broadcast the bed from dim and caught prank control. Anything goes.
Got a dog lady, I love her so. Nothing else like her anywhere you go. A man, she's anything but calm. Regular pint-size atom bomb. Atom bomb, baby, little atom bomb. I want her in my wigwam. She's just the way I want it to be. A million times hotter than atom bomb baby, loaded with power, radioactive as a TV tower, a nuclear fission in her soul, blows with the electronic control. Atom bomb baby, little atom bomb, I want her in my wigwam. She's just the way I want it to be, a million times hotter than TNT. Atom bomb baby, boy she can start one of those chain reactions in my heart. A big explosion, big and loud, mushrooms me right up on a cloud. Atom bomb baby, little atom bomb, I want her in my wigwam. She's just the way I want her to be, a million times hotter than TNT. Atom bomb baby, sweet as a plum, carries more wow than uranium. When she kisses, there's no hitch, 0 hour she turns on the switch. Atom bomb baby, little atom bomb, I want her in my wigwam. She's just the way I want her to be, a million times hotter than TNT.